Hey everyone, Alec here with Veed, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to rotate a GIF online. So let's say you have a cool GIF but it's sideways and you want to rotate it. Well, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that with an online video editor called Veed. To get started, you can either head over to Google and Google Veed, which is V-E-E-D, and then click on the first link. If not, as usual, the links are going to be in the description down below. Once you're on Veed, the first step is to create a new project. And then once you're within Veed's video editor, this is where we want to upload the GIF that is sideways and the GIF that we want to rotate. So if I click on the upload files button, as we can see our documents open up, we're then going to select the GIF that is sideways. So I have this GIF right here. And if I click open, as we can see, it's now imported into Veed's video editor. And if I click play, as you can see, we have our GIF. It's of me skateboarding and it's sideways. So to rotate my GIF, it's very simple. As you can see, if we select the clip on the video canvas, at the top of the screen, we have this little round arrow. So this is the rotate icon. Now, if I click and drag, as you can see, the video begins to rotate. However, before I rotate my GIF, I actually want to turn my GIF into a square GIF. As we can see, this is currently the 16:9 aspect ratio because it's horizontal. If I was to rotate it, it would turn it into a 9:16 aspect ratio. So that's an aspect ratio suitable for Instagram stories. Due to the fact that I'm not going to be posting this GIF to Instagram stories, we're going to turn it into a square GIF so I can share it easier, and I think square GIFs look a lot better. So before we rotate it, to turn it into a square GIF, it's very simple. Under the project tab, we're going to go under the size, and we've got the size drop down menu, and here we can change the size and the aspect ratio to the square 1:1. You have a bunch of other presets that you can choose from, but for this GIF I'm just going to choose the square 1:1 aspect ratio. So now, as we can see, we have our GIF, which is now a square GIF. And again, if we just select the GIF, as we can see, we have the rotate icon that appears at the top of the GIF. So I'm just going to click, and now if I click and drag this, as you can see, I can click and drag, and now I rotated my GIF. So if I click play, now we have my square GIF, which has been rotated, so it looks a lot better. And that is how to rotate a GIF online using Veed. If I want to rotate it more, I can rotate it however I want. If I want it a bit wonky, I can. I also want to mention that I can also resize it just by clicking and dragging on any of these pink dots. My GIF is still going to be square, and it will just have this black space at the top. But I want to make sure it fits up the entire video. I can also click on fit frame if I want the entire horizontal video within the square GIF, or I can click on fill frame if I want it to take all of the space available. And then once I'm happy with the GIF that I've rotated, all I have to do is click on the export button in the top right. Veed then starts to render my new rotated GIF, and then once it's finished rendering, I can then preview it, and I then have the option to download it once again as a GIF. And there we go. That is how to rotate a GIF using Veed. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Thanks for watching.